Print a long list in multiple columns in Excel. Do you have a long list in Excel that takes page after page to print? Instead of wasting paper and scrolling through endless rows, you can organize your data into multiple columns so more information fits on each page and remains easy to read. In this video, we'll look at two practical approaches, using Microsoft Word and using Kutools for Excel. Method 1. Copy the list to Word and use columns. Excel doesn't offer a built-in feature to print a single long list in newspaper-style columns. A common workaround is to copy the data into Word and let Word handle the column layout. Select the first data row. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the arrow down keys. This instantly selects all the data below the current cell. Press Ctrl and C keys to copy data. Open a new Word document. Press the Ctrl and V keys to paste it. Go to Layout, Columns. This convert the table into multiple columns. You can choose 2 columns, 3 columns, or customize the number of columns. Here I select 2. Word automatically arranges the content from top to bottom and left to right, similar to a newspaper layout. To make each printed column easier to read, you'd better repeat the header row. Click on the header row. Then click Table Layout. Select Repeat Header Rows. Now every section has the header row. Click File Print. Preview the layout, adjust margins if needed, and print. Although this method works well for occasional tasks, it does have some drawbacks. You need to switch between Excel and Word. Data must be copied manually every time. Updates in Excel require repeating the process. Formatting may change during pasting, not ideal for frequently updated reports. If you print long lists regularly, there's a much easier option. Method 2. Use Kutools for Excel's Split to Columns feature. Kutools for Excel includes a dedicated Split to Columns feature that organizes long lists into printable columns directly inside Excel. No copying. No Word. No manual rearranging. Download and install Kutools for Excel. Open Workbook, go to Kutools Plus tab. Select Split to Columns. Select Title Range. Select Data Range. Select the first row of data except the header row. Press Ctrl, Shift, and the arrow down keys. Specify the number of rows and the segments. Optional, create a link with the active sheet. Click OK. Once the columns are created, simply click File Print. No extra steps required. Your original workflow stays entirely inside Excel. Download Kutools for Excel today and enjoy a 30-day free trial with access to over 300 powerful Excel productivity tools.